Hi there, and welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to download the sales report from your PMS dashboard, step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your PMS account with your username and password. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu and click on Reports. From the list, choose Front Office. Now, on the Front Office Reports page, click on the Booking tab at the top. Then, select Sales Report. Here, you'll need to set a few filters. First, choose the date range for your report. Then, select the date to consider. This decides which dates the system will use to pull data. Once you're ready, hit the Generate Excel button. You'll now see a download link appear right below. Just click on that link, and your Excel sales report will start downloading. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the sales report from your PMS. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is always here for you. Don't forget to check the video description below. We've added some helpful links and other guides you might find useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.